10 years after its launch, the Porsche Macan is heading into its second generation, now in all-electric form. New Macan is 4,784mm long and the wheelbase is 86mm longer than on the previous model. The headlights are divided into two parts, and the characteristic Porsche flyline forms a unit with the flat rear window, and all that gives this car so much presence on the road. Here you can see the Macan Turbo that boosts up to 470 kilowatts or 639 PS and accelerates from 0 to 100 in just 3.3 seconds. Top speed is 260 kilometers per hour. The DC charging output is up to 270 kilowatts. The combined WLTP range is 591 kilometers on a single charge for the Macan Turbo. Tell me in the comments how you like the car and subscribe for more.